Hello aspirants and welcome back to another video of this channel, and in this video we will continue our session that the NCERT class 11 each and every question from exercise we have to solve. Okay, and we are doing hydrocarbon chapter, and this is the continuation of the previous videos. You have to see the previous videos, then only probably you can understand this, that what I am doing and what we are supposed to do here. Okay, now in this question you see the question is very good. The IUPAC names of the products. So not the IUPAC name of them. The name is already given here, right? The IUPAC name of the product. When these molecules, this 1, 2, 3, 4, they are going ozonolysis reaction. Now ozonolysis reaction has been discussed in details, and here we will do this question answer. So you see how I am doing this question. Okay. So this question is very easy and we'll have a lot of fun here. So paint to win, sir. How I'll write paint to win? So you will write paint to win, write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I am telling, don't write paint to win like this, sir. Carbon, 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 carbon. A double bond here. Then CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH3. No, don't do this. Don't do this. It will be a time consuming and you will have error. Always use bond dash formula. Okay. So sir, paint to win means this is paint to win. This is very easy. Paint to win. Okay. Sir, ozonolysis means we have to use this reagent, right? O3 and ZnH2. That means I am doing reductive ozonolysis. That means I am doing reductive ozonolysis. Okay. Reductive ozonolysis I am doing. What we have to do, I have already told you, but let me tell you again. Suppose if you are having suppose it is R1, R2, R3, R4, like that. You are having a double bond, okay? And you are doing ozonolysis reaction, O3, ZnH2. Suppose you are doing ozonolysis reaction. What you have to do, how to get the product? You have to do, just break this bond. Just break the double bond. Just break the double bond from the middle. That means that this carbon is now only having this R1 and R2. And this carbon is only having R3 and R4. But they are in so much pain, sir. Why? Because their tetravalency is not satisfied. Their tetravalency is not satisfied. So, sir, what to do? Add double bond. Add double bond. This will be your product. So, the funda is break the double bond, satisfy the tetravalency with double bond O. Break the double bond, satisfy the tetravalency with double bond O. You will get your product. So this is the funda. This is the concept we use here. Okay. So just for your understanding, here in this carbon you are having one hydrogen, right? So how do you know that there is a hydrogen? Obviously, you have to satisfy the tetravalency 1, 2, 3. That means there must be a hydrogen for 4 valency. Said that means this carbon also 1, 2, 3 bond, and you are having one hydrogen here also. Yes, very good. Now you know you have to break the bond, right? Just break it. So say now I am having this fragment and I am having this fragment. Satisfy this with double bond O. Satisfy this with double bond O. So this is the molecule you got. Sir, what is the molecule? It is CH3, it is CH2, it is C double H double bond OH, and this is CH3, C double bond OH. So this is the molecule, but you have to do IUPAC naming. So sir, how IUPAC I can do? This is your functional group, this C double bond OH, this is your functional group, this is your functional group. This is called aldehyde, right? This is your functional group, so you have to start numbering from that side only. So this is your carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3. That means that the name of this is propanal, right? Propan 1L, aldehyde is called Al, aldehyde is called Al, that's why propanal. So sir, this naming is also easy. I know that this is why functional group, this is carbon number 1 and this is carbon number 2. Yes, the name of this is ethanol. Ethanol. But ethanol is also having a very important common name that you have to know. It is also called acetaldehyde. In class 12 chemistry, acetaldehyde is having a very important part. Okay, the name of this is acetaldehyde. But acetaldehyde is not the IUPAC. When they will ask you about your IUPAC, this is your IUPAC and this is your IUPAC. Okay, okay sir, got it. So let's take this question again and go for the next slide and do question number 2. I'll do question number 2 now. So 3,4 dimethyl hept 3-ene. Sir, how to do it? Hept. So hept means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now hept 3-ene, sir, 1, 2, 3. You put a double bond here. Okay. And at 3 position, you put a methyl group, and at 4 position, you put a methyl group. So your numbering is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Sir, ozonolysis, I know it's very easy. O3ZnH2, you have to break it from here. So, sir, if I break it from here, then the product I'll get is, if I break it, so for this carbon, these groups are there: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I am having this carbon with a methyl group here, and for this carbon, it is like this, and this is double bond O, and this is double bond O. That's it. That is my product. Just now I have to name them. So let's see: CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This is CH3, this is CH2, and this is CH3. So how to number them? Now this C double bond O group is called keto group. This C double bond O group is called ketone group or keto group, anything. That should be your functional group, and that should be given the lowest locant number. That should be given the lowest locant number. Sir, how to do it? It's very easy. You give this carbon as carbon number 1, then this carbon 2, this 3, 4, 5. So, sir, the name of this is pentan. At 2 position, you are having your functional group. Pentan 2. So, this name is also easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the name of this is butan 2. It's so easy, right? It's so easy. So, now let me go to the next slide and do question number 3. So here it is given 2-ethyl but 1-ene. Oh sir, I can do this very easily. Yes, 2-ethyl but 1-ene. Every question you can do 2-ethyl but 1-ene. So but means that 4 carbon, and at 1 position you take 1, 2, 3, 4. At 1 position you are having double bond, and sir, at 2 position I am having a ethyl group like that. I am having a ethyl group, or you can write this like this also. And at 2 position you are having a ethyl. Yes. Sir, it is like this. And sir, that means this carbon is both the hand, it is having hydrogen. Yes, both the hand, it is having hydrogen. Okay. Now, so sir, if this is the molecule, if let me just wait a minute. Yeah, it is having hydrogen. Yeah. So sir, I know the funda. O3 is ZnH2. I have to break the double bond from the middle part. Yes. So that means from here, this skeleton is remaining, and from that part, this skeleton is remaining. What you have to do? Adjust them with double bond O. Adjust them with double bond O. So this is a keto group. This is a keto group, and that is a functional group here, right? This is a keto group, and that is a functional group. So we have to number at them at a way that it should get the lowest locant number. It should get the lowest locant number. So how to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go from the opposite direction at same position, you will get. So no need to worry. So it will be named is pentan 3-one. Pentan 3-one. But sir, what about this molecule? What about this molecule? So this molecule is, it is having a aldehyde group. You see, this is okay. Let me write the molecule again here. So the molecule is looking like this, isn't it? The molecule, this molecule I am writing here, and this is looking like this. And you see, this is your aldehyde group. This is your aldehyde group. Always remember, this is not ketone. This is not ketone. This is an aldehyde group. And it is having only 1 carbon set. So the name of this is methanal. Sir, why you are using Al? Because it's the aldehyde group. Sir, why you are using one? Because it's a ketone group. Got it? Got it? It's so easy, right? If you are having any problem, please let me know. Okay? Please let me know. But this type of question you have to master. This question surely you will get in your exam. Okay? Okay. Now, sir, the fourth question is very easy. Yes, 1-phenyl but 1-ene. So I will do like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1-ene. So but 1-ene I have done. And 4-phenyl means, 1-phenyl means at carbon number 1, I write a pH. That is the structure. Okay. Then for this carbon, I know that there is a hydrogen, right? And for this carbon also, I know that there is a hydrogen. Now, O3ZnH2, if I do, O3ZnH2, if I do, then what I have to do? I have to just break it from the middle part. I have to break it from the middle part. Break it from the middle part and adjust this with double bond O. So, sir, I am getting the skeleton like this. And I am getting a skeleton like this. So, sir, now I have to adjust it with double bond O, right? Yes, double bond O, you adjust. So, what is the group you are getting here? Sir, I am getting aldehyde group. I am getting aldehyde group. Sir, what is the group you are getting here? I am getting aldehyde group. I am getting aldehyde group. So, it's so easy how to do it. This is your carbon number 1, 2, 3. So, So, the name of this is propanol. Propanol. And send the name of this in, you see, this is benzene ring with CHO. So, the name of this is benzaldehyde. The name of this is benzaldehyde. So, these are the products you will get. You see, 4 questions we have done. Surely 1 or 2 questions you will get in your exam. Please master ozonolysis process. Please, it's my request. Please master ozonolysis process. It's very easy. You can fetch all the marks from here. Okay, just what you have to do, break the double bond, adjust this with double bond. Break the double bond, adjust this with double bond O. So, okay, that's it for this session. And I hope you like this session. And if you have any further queries, please let me know in the Telegram, or like my mobile number is also provided. You can call me. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello aspirants, and welcome back to another video of this channel. And in this video, we are doing the continuation of NCERT Class 11 exercise. Okay, each and every question we will do, and now we are doing hydrocarbon chapter, because just now we have finished the hydrocarbon chapter. So it's a good time to practice all the questions from the exercise. Okay, definitely this is a very important question, and you will get this question in your exam. There is high chance that you can get this question because it's a very interesting question. It will test your knowledge about ozonolysis. So what they are saying? They are saying that an alkene A, there is an alkene A. Whenever you will get this question, you have to write the diagram, the flow chart. Not the diagram, it's called the flow chart. And alkene A, you have done ozonolysis. Ozonolysis means that I have done O3ZnH2, right? Yes, you have done O3ZnH2, this reaction. And it gives a mixture of ethanol and pentan 3-one. So you should have a sound knowledge about these structures as well. Write the structure and IUPAC of A. So this A you have to find out, and you have to write the structure and IUPAC. Okay. So what is the structure of ethanol first? Ethanol structure is CH3 C11OH. Sir, how do you know that this is the structure? Because you see, ethanol means what? 2 carbon, and Al means it's an aldehyde group. It's an aldehyde group. Then this carbon, if you satisfy the valency, you need 3 hydrogen. So CH6 C11OH. Sir, pentan 3-one means write 5 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5 position, it is on means ketone, that means double bond O. So this is the structure. Okay. Now again, a brief discussion about ozonolysis, the general form. So suppose R1 C R2 sorry, just give me a moment. Yeah, R1, C, R2, C, R3, R4. And if you do ozonolysis, that means ZnH2O. In the previous video only we have discussed. Please check the previous video if you are having any problem. What you have to do, you have to just break the bond here. If you break the bond here, that means for this carbon, you are having R1 and R2. And for this carbon, you are having R3 and R4. But sir, there is in lot of pain because their valency is not satisfied. Yes, so it's your duty to satisfy their valency. What you have to do? Double bond O you add, and this two is your product. But sir, here the question is a reverse one, the opposite one. What? They have given you the product and you read this. So it's even easier. So how to do it? Suppose the product, two products are given. Suppose two products are given. Sir, R1, C, R2, double bond O, and R3, C, R4, double bond O. This product is given. So what you have to do? You have to write the products in this way. Face off. They are direct face off. With oxygen, they are direct face off. And just take this oxygen out. Just take this oxygen out. And if you do like this, if you take the oxygen out like this, what you will get? You will get RC, R2 and CR3, R4. You have taken both the oxygen out, then they will make a double bond. That's it. So if this is your product, and from products, if you want to go to your reactant alkene, what you have to do? Write the two oxygen face off, both the molecule by their oxygen face off, take the oxygen out, make a double bond, add them, you will get your alkene. This is that much easier. Okay. So what is the question? So let me just take the question again. Here. Yes. So this is your question. Alkene A or O gives a mixture of ethanol and pentan 2-on. So you already got ethanol structure as CH3C double bond OH and pentan 3-on structure as this. So what you have to do? You have to write them face off. Sir, how to do it? Is it difficult? Not at all. So CH3CH double bond O plus this double bond O you write like this. And with, you see, one side you are having CH2CH3, another side you are having CH3CH2 also. And you can maintain the bond dash formula, no problem. You can maintain the bond dash formula also, no problem. This. Then sir, I got it. This you take out and you are getting CH3. You see this CH3 I am written. Then C, this C with this H I am writing here. And this C is now bonded with this C with a double bond. Right? Because in between the oxygen you have taken out. So they will make a bond between them. So carbon with one ethyl you write here. And obviously another ethyl will be your substituent. So you got your product A. Now sir, how to name them? So you see, if you go by this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are getting your double bond at carbon number 2. And at 3 position, you are getting your substituent. But if you go by this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at 3 position, you are getting your double bond. So from this side, if you go at 2 position, you are getting your double bond. From this side, if you go at 3 position, you are getting your double bond. You know that you have to prioritize the double bond, and double bond should get the lowest locant number. Double bond should get the lowest locant number. That means this is not possible. So you have to name from the left hand side. Do you get it? The IUPAC, do you get it or not? The IUPAC? Yes, very good. So if you get it, it's okay. If you don't, then you please revert back to me, okay? So the name will be at 3 position, you are having a ethyl group, this ethyl group. 3 position, you are getting a ethyl group. So 3 ethyl, 5 carbons, so pent. At 2 position, you are having your double bond. 3 ethyl pentene. If you do till this part, you will get the full marks. So this is it. So I hope you like this video and you like it's thoroughly understood by you. And if it's not, you please revert back to me and we'll meet in the next session with the next question series. Okay. And please practice these questions. We have already done 5-6 questions. Please practice these questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello aspirants and welcome back to another video of this channel, and today we will also continue the series we are doing, that the NCERT class 11 chemistry exercise, all the questions we are about to do. And as we are doing hydrocarbon, so this is a question from hydrocarbon. We are going sequence wise, and today's question is about an alkene A. It is given an alkene A. Probably this is the best question of this question series. An alkene A that contains 3 C double bond C, 8 C8, so many things are given, sigma bonds and 1 CC pi bonds. Okay, I don't need all this information. The information that I need is A on ozonolysis gives 2 moles of an aldehyde, molar mass 44. 44. That means I always told you whenever you will get this kind of question, you have to write the flowchart. So that means I got a alkene. And it is having these many things like 3 CC bond, 4, 8 CH sigma bonds, all this. I don't need all this. You see how I am doing this, and you are doing ozonolysis. So, sir, I am doing ozonolysis means I am using O3ZNH2. Yes, you are doing, this is called reductive ozonolysis. Okay, this is called reductive ozonolysis. Reductive ozonolysis you are doing. So, sir, if I am doing reductive ozonolysis, what I am getting? You are getting 2 mole of an aldehyde. That means you are getting a aldehyde, but 2 mole of this. 2 mole of this. And the molecular formula, the molecular mass of this aldehyde is also given, and that is 44. From here, let's see if we can get any information or if we can get any. Sir, aldehyde is looking like this, RC double bond OH. Sir, I don't know what is the molecular form mass of R. So I am taking this R as R. Then this carbon I can take as 12, right? Carbon atomic mass is 12. Sir, hydrogen I can take as 1. Yes, and oxygen I can take as 16. So this is equal to 44. So R plus this is 13. It is 13 and that is 29. So equal to 29 equal to 44. So R equal to, I am getting 15. So this R, whatever is R, this is contributing 15 U. Okay? 15 U. 15 means, sir, I can only take 1 carbon, right? Because carbon is already 12 and that means I can take only 3 hydrogen. So R group is like CH3. If I get this, then my job is done. If I get this, my job is done. That means I am getting 2 molecules of CH3. C double bond OH. Sir, how? I already got R will be CH3. I have already proven this, that R will be CH3. So CH3 C double bond OH. Now you check it once. You check it once. If it is carbon, it is 12. Hydrogen, it is 3. Carbon, it is 12. Hydrogen, it is 1. Oxygen, it is 16. So 15, 27, 28, 44. It's matching very beautifully. And that means from a alkene A, after ozonolysis, I got 2 molecules of CH3 C double bond OH. Now you have to find how to find it. In the previous video only, I have taught you how to find if the products are given, if the products of the ozonolysis reaction is given, how to find the reactant alkene. How to find the reactant alkene. So what you have to do, the product you have to write face off, oxygen face off kind. So you write CH3, CH double bond. This molecule, the name, by the way, the name of this is acetaldehyde. That is important. Remember the common name of this. This is called acetaldehyde. Okay. So can I write this molecule as this way? CH3C double bond OH. And I have to write as it is 2 molecules. So again, I have to write C double bond O CH3H. I am writing both of them face off. Yes, and now I know what you are about to do. What I'll do, I'll take the oxygen. I'll take the oxygen out. And if I take the oxygen out, then I'll get my product back. I'll get my, not product, I'll get my starting material, the reactant back. Sir, how? How? You see this CH3 I am writing. This carbon I am writing. With this carbon, this hydrogen I am writing. And this carbon is now bonded with this carbon. Why? Because in between the oxygen you have taken out, so they will make a double bond. Yes, sir, got it. So double bond between them. So CH, CH3. Yes, sir. This is my answer. The name of this is 2-butene, or you can write butene, anything. Now you see, for if you want to check if you have done this correctly or not, you write the molecule like this. Sir, why you are writing this in an elaborated way? Because you see, so many informations are given to you, right? That it should contain these many bonds and that bonds. All these informations are given, right? What are the information given? You see, it was given 3 CC bond, 3 C single bond C. Are you finding? You see, C and C are single bond, C and C are single bond, and C and C are single bond. I am getting, no problem. So that is matching. Then, and 8 CH sigma bond. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this bond was sigma, this bond was sigma, and this bond was sigma. Now 8 CH, sir, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Said this is also matching very beautifully. Yes, everything will match. We don't need to worry anything. Now let me change the color. Yes. And said 1 CC pi bond. Let's see. Yes, sir. This CC, there is multiple bonds. So one is sigma, the other one is pi. So 3 CC sigma bond, 8 CH, sorry, 8. Let me just 3 CC sigma bond, 8 CH pi bond, and 1 CC, oh my God, sorry, yeah, sigma bond and 1 CC pi bond. All are matching. Everybody is happy. I got my answer as butene, and that will be the answer for this. Okay. So I hope you like this, and if you have any other problem, I think there should not be any problem in this question. This is probably the toughest question of this. Like, I usually see students used to avoid this question, but this is very easy, right? You have to just go step by step thoroughly. Okay, so I hope you like this, and if you have any further problem, you please let me know. And till the next video, it's bye-bye.